everyone on on Facebook. I'm gonna make a nice snack: tomato and mozzarella bites. So all you need is we got.
What's your name?
And my name is Gianni Alfano, and it said the thing you need 3, or just to make sure we got more of basil, 3 pieces of little basils, 3 of these grape type like grape, yeah, whatever it is, tomatoes, and then we didn't have mozzarella cheese balls, so we decided to get regular cheese and cut them into little things, little square looking things, and then you need extra virgin or whatever it was olive oil and salt and pepper. And then now we get started. Okay. So the first thing is cut the tomatoes in half. Like that. This is my first time cutting tomatoes.
Okay. What you may want to do next time is kind of saw the knife down through it like that.
Yeah.
Without sawing your fingers off. No, that's good. In half is good.
Okay. And then take the next one. Do the same exact thing.
Pull it back towards you. There you go. See how much easier that was?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's my first time. Don't judge me.
Okay. Okay, now what do you gotta do, chef?
Mm-hmm. So I'm just gonna cut a little piece just to make it a little smaller, because that's what it was.
Don't smash it. Pull it.
Okay.
There you go. Looks nice.
There we go. That's better. Then you can take this and put it over here. That's extra just in case. And then the next part is we take these and put them in here. And this has the olive oil in this medium-sized bowl, or small, whichever one fits them all. And then let's see. After placing medium bowl, add mozzarella balls and drizzle with oil and sprinkle with salt. Okay, now add these mozzarella or whatever cheese balls.
Sprinkle with salt.
And then sprinkle with salt and vinegar. Okay. And then use a rubber spatula or a spoon to toss it around. Or you can the thing says to put using like a spatula or a rubber spatula, but we're just going with what we have.
Improvise. Looks good. Looks nice and mixed.
What's your salt? Wait.
Extra salt and pepper.
Just for good measure.
Okay, just for good measure. A little extra salt.
And pepper. Because this one is mixed. This one is mixed with salt and pepper, so we don't have to put in each one.
Yeah, this is a blend, right?
Yeah, blend.
That's kosher salt and butcher black pepper.
Okay, and then after we do it and toss gently.
Yes.
Slide tomato half on the sturdy wooden toothpick. Tomato. Half on, like this way?
Yeah, sure.
This way. So, half on. It's a little juicy.
Okay, that's fine. Slide it all the way down.
Okay. No, it said halfway.
Okay.
Alright.
That says tomato half one, I think.
I don't know how to do this. Okay, you do it like this. And then,
look at the
slide
picture.
Basil leaf.
See the picture?
Yeah, I see it. And slide basil leaf.
Okay.
Then slide the cheese. Then slide another half. Now, how does that look?
That looks amazing, chef.
And then if we had a little bit of olive oil, we just sprinkle it on.
Oh, well, what you do is make 2 more,
Okay, we're gonna make 2 more the same exact way.
and then we'll drizzle the olive oil on top.
Yep, and then we'll show you that part. We're gonna skip the other parts.
There's already sticks on top. So there you go.
We're gonna skip the other parts. I'm gonna skip to the end so you don't have to watch me do it again. All right, so we did all the rest, and here's the final product. We sprinkled some of the rest of the basil on, and we put some olive oil.
Let's take a look at the picture in the book.
Take a look at the picture in the book.
Let's go back and take a look at this picture here.
Which one's better?
I think we should do is watch this. We'll put a little more drizzle of salt on top.
What do you guys think
Boom.
is better? Do you think the picture on here or the real thing?
I think the real thing. And then we drizzled this oil on top like that. So we just poured that on there to give it a little sheen.
Sheen.
And that's it. All right, Chef Gianni. Till we meet again.
Till we meet again.